Welcome students. In previous lecture we see how to draw perpendicular bisector of a given segment. In this lecture we see the property of the angle bisector of the triangle. Draw acute angle triangle ABC. We have to draw angle bisector of these three angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. We start from angle B. So take the compass. Take the suitable radius in your compass and place the tip of compass on point B. Draw one arc which is intersect segment or side BA. Don't change the radius and draw one another arc which is intersect side BC. We label it point X and point Y. Then don't change the radius and place the tip of compass on point X and draw one arc interior of triangle ABC. Don't change the radius, place the tip of compass on point Y and draw one another arc which is intersect the first arc. Here we got one point, label it point K and draw a ray which start from point B and passing through point K. On side AC, label it point Q. Use the similar method and draw angle bisector of angle C and get the ray or the angle bisector CP. Use same method and draw angle bisector of angle A and get ray AR. Look at the figure. In this figure we got three angle bisector and they are ray BQ, ray CP and ray AR. The three angle bisector intersect to each other at a same point. That point are known as the point of concurrence. We label it point I. And the three angle bisector of a triangle are concurrent to each other. Then we have to draw a perpendicular on side BC which start from point I. We can draw it by using compass or set square also. Here I use the compass. Place the tip of compass on point I, take suitable radius in your compass and draw two arcs on side BC. Without changing the radius in your compass, place the tip of compass on first arc and draw one another arc. Without changing the radius in your compass, place the tip of compass on point arc and draw one another arc which is intersecting the previous arc. Then draw a ray by using a ruler which start from point I and intersecting the segment or side BC. Here we got one point, label it point M. Then use the similar method and draw perpendicular on side AC. Here on side AC we got one point, we label it point N. Then use similar method, then draw one another perpendicular on side AB and label it point L. Then we have to measure the length IM. Take the ruler and the divider. We measure it, that is 2.7 centimeter. Then measure the length IN, that is 2.7 centimeter. Then measure the length IL, that is also 2.7 centimeter. Then what do you find? Yes, all the three perpendicular IM, IN and IL are equal in length. Hence, point I is equidistant from all the three sides of triangle ABC. The angle bisector of a triangle are concurrent, and the point of concurrence are known as the incenter. It is denoted by letter I. By using this video, you will solve example number 5, which is given in practice set 1. Thank you.